my dear friends, welcome to Harish Kumar's mobile channel and namaste all of you. Hope you are all of good health friends. And today I came with a new topic friends. Before going to the topic, I would like to thank you all of you friends for your enormous response, and many of them are liking our videos and commenting our videos. Hope it will be useful for your career friends. Thank you all of you once again. And coming to the topic, 12 important points to be considered before purchasing of the cement bags. Friends, those who didn't subscribe till now, please subscribe to our channel by pressing red subscribe button and press bell icon to get first updates to you. And coming to the topic, that is introduction. Friends, cement is the most important construction material which is widely used in the modern construction. And cement is generally used to prepare concrete and mortar which are used to make RCC frame structures. Cement has binding properties and can easily mix with the aggregates and forms a homogeneous mixture, which hardens to give a stone-like strength, friends. And the strength and durability of the structure are mainly depend on the strength of the cement, as we know that. And there are many manufacturers of the cement worldwide. Many times they had adopt bad practices to manufacture and pack cement to increase their profits. The cost of the cement is more than other construction materials, friends. That is coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, and bricks, etc. friends. And it is also affects overall cost of the project, friends. This is the principal ingredient, friends. Hence, we must be aware before buying cement bags, friends, because sometimes cement bags arriving on the site, duplicate or adulterated cement will decrease the life of the structure, friends. You have to check some of the basic standard specifications, friends. Before you buy it, you must check the information that is printed on the standard cement bag. Here are some points to check the cement bag, friends, at the time of purchasing or receiving cement bags to ensure the quality. And what are the points to be checked on the cement bag, friends? And the points to be checked on the cement bag. First point, registered trademark, friends. See the manufacturer's name and its registered trademark, friends. If the trademark and the name is not properly printed or there is any spelling mistake, then the bag may be duplicated. Right side picture, friends, the top of the Ambuja cement, you will observe the registered mark. You have to observe the register, whether this company is registered or not. And the point number 2 is ISI mark on bag. ISI mark should be printed on the cement bags in black color, friends. Here left side it is of black color. It is of 53 grade cement, that is ordinary Portland cement, and right side it is showing that in red color. This is Portland Pozzolana cement. The ISI mark confirms that the cement packed in the bag has fulfilled every requirement of the specification. And coming to point 3, that is grade of cement. Here there are different grades, friends, that is 33, 43, 53. The grade and the type of the cement is an important point to check on the cement bag, friends. The cement bag of OPC 53 must be mentioned in the words, that is ordinary Portland cement, and it should be printed on the cement bag, friends. Here it is showing that 33, 43 and 53 grade of cement. Point 4 is net weight of the cement. The net weight of the cement, that is 25 kg or 50 kg, must be mentioned on the cement bag, friends. This should be clearly visible as shown in the figure, friends. This is an Ultratech bag having 50 kg. And point number 5, check technical details. Check the brand of the cement. It is important that the cement is of reputable brand. One must also check the cut sheet provided by the brand to know the technical details about the product. Friends, this is the test report sheet of our one of the top cement producers, friends, that is Ultratech Cement. Before purchasing, please check the technical details. That is the test results and the requirements as per the IS codes. That is, it is showing that IS code for 53 grade Portland cement, friends. That is 12269. So you have to initially purchasing of any cement, friends, please go through the test results, that is the test results sheet of the cement, that is will be provided by the dealer. And point 6 is check the MRP. MRP, that is maximum retail price. This is an important point to check on the cement bag, friends. The retailer or seller can fool us by selling the cement bag for price more than MRP. So before purchasing of the cement, you have to check the MRP. And point number 7, use no hooks. The word use no hooks or symbol are printed on the standard cement bag, friends. This is the symbol, and the symbol is like this, friends. This is printed on the bag. The bag should not be purchased while loading. Any cement bag should not be punched or teared, friends. It should be packed. It should be airtight. Before buying of the cement, you have to thoroughly check, friends. And point number 8, details on bag. The batch or control unit number in terms of week, month and year of the packing must be mentioned on the cement bag. It is referred to as the cement bag which is recently packed, usually less than 3 months. You have to thoroughly check the friends. Here June W22. W22 is week number 22. That is MRP has been given, and you have to thoroughly check the details and the batch members, friends. And point number 9, the address of the manufacturer. The address of the manufacturer must be mentioned on the bag, friends, for contacting him for future inquiries. Here it is shown that in the figure, the India Cements Limited, that is the Rasi Gold Cement manufacturer, friends. It should be observed on the bag. And point number 10, type of improvers. The type and percentage of the performance improvers added, if added, must be mentioned on the cement bag, friends. If it is Portland Pozzolana cement, that is fly ash bed, it has to be written on the cement bag as shown in the figure, friends. Here PPC is made, that is fly ash based. This should be observed while purchasing of the bags. And point 11, that is IS codes. Particularly, friends, this is the most important. Particularly, IS code number should be printed on the cement bag. That is, if you have ordered 53 grade cement, that is IS 12269 1987. It is printed on the above the ISA mark, friends. The ISA marked with type code are printed on the bag of cement. That is IS 269 means OPC of 33 grade, and ISI 8112 means OPC of 43 grade, and ISI 12269 means OPC of 53 grade, friends. This is used for the fast construction, friends. And ISI 1489, this is PPC beans, that is Portland Pozzolana cement, which are mainly based on fly ash based cement. And coming to point number 12, expiry date, friends. The expiry date of the cement bag should be checked before purchasing of the cement bags, friends. This should not be purchased if it is nearly or more than 90 days, friends. This can be written on the bag in the format day, month or week or year format, friends, as shown in the figure. And friends, the mentioned points are essential to check on the cement bag, friends, before buying it. This will help us to ensure the cement bags are from a standard manufacturer and helps in avoiding any loss to the customer. After buying cement bags, they must be properly stored and used within few days, friends. And friends, the cement is the major constant of the building construction. So the best quality cement gives the best strength, durability, and gives more life to the structure. As a civil engineer, when we build a house, we assume that the house should live in good condition for at least 3 to 4 generations or more. Since the house is not built every year or a year, friends, it is one-time investment and nobody wants to compromise on the quality of the cement, friends. This is why it is becoming increasingly important for us to choose the best quality cement company in India. And this is today's concept, friends. And if you like my explanation, please like it and share to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe, friends. Until then, stay tuned, friends. I will be back with an interesting topic next week, friends. This is Harish signing off. Bye-bye.